Ramadan. The month of Ramadan is a special, holy month for Muslims. It is believed that this was the month in which Muhammad received messages from the angel Gabriel. During Ramadan, Muslims do not eat or drink during daylight hours. This is called fasting. When is Ramadan? Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, since the Islamic calendar is different to the Gregorian calendar, used in most countries, including the UK. The timing of Ramadan shifts a little each year. In 2010, it started in August. In 2020, it started in April. And in 2030, it will start in January. When Ramadan falls in the spring or summer, Muslims have to go a long time without eating or drinking because the days are so long. When do Muslims eat during Ramadan? Muslims get up early to eat breakfast before sunrise. They then don't eat or drink anything until sunset. The evening meal during Ramadan is called iftar. These are often big meals shared with lots of family and friends. Does everyone fast during Ramadan? Children do not have to fast during Ramadan until they reach puberty. Some adults might also choose not to fast. For example, if they are pregnant, are traveling long distances, or have health problems. Why do Muslims fast? Fasting teaches Muslims to be more patient and less greedy. It also encourages them to be more compassionate and generous towards poor and homeless people. By experiencing what it is like to be hungry. During Ramadan, Muslims pray for forgiveness and ask for help in resisting the temptation to do bad things. What happens at the end of Ramadan? At the end of Ramadan, there is a big celebration called Eid al-Fitr. It is time for prayer, charity, family, celebration, and delicious feast of sweet and tasty treats.